Welcome to learn about the liquid staking GLMR through Omni LS. Log into the Omni LS, click on a Connect Wallet, and here I will choose Encrypt Wallet as an example. Select the Moonbeam network in the Network section. Click VGLMR. Before minting VGLMR, you need to have some GLMR balance. If you don't have any, you can also cross in some GLMRs. Here, we will stake 20 GLMR as an example. You can see the corresponding amount of VGLMR you can receive. Gas fee rate, unstake period, cross-chain fee and reward fee. Click Stake. Complete the on-chain signature confirmation. You can see the transaction status in the top right corner. Click Analysis. You can see the earnings for 90 days, 30 days, 7 days, and the network average. And see the success status of our transaction in the top right corner. Click Portfolio. Here is the VGLMR amount you just stake. That is the process of liquid staking GLMR in Omni LS. Feel free to try and earn GLMR staking rewards through Omni LS.